The FSCA recently told Nasdaq Ninja to stop what he's busy with. Now, instead of selling signals, he's selling fairy tales. Mans went from Nasdaq Ninja to Nasdaq Nanny overnight. Important update from Nasdaq Ninja reads, "Dear valued community, after careful consideration and in light of recent guidance received regarding financial market regulations, I would like to inform you of an important update concerning the services I offer under the Nasdaq Ninja brand. Effective immediately, I will no longer be providing direct trading signals to the public.
I don't think you have the facilities for that, big man."
This decision comes as a necessary step to ensure full compliance with the FSCA regulations, which governs the provision of financial advice and related services in South Africa. As a brand and as an individual, I take compliance very seriously, and I am committed to operating within the bounds of the law while continuing to deliver value to this growing community of traders, investors, and market enthusiasts. What this means going forward: while signals will no longer be provided until I am fully authorized and regulated to do so under the FSCA framework, the content and insight you've come to expect will remain, just in a slightly different format.
What do you mean by that?
Moving forward, I will be focusing on offering the following: daily market setups, which is comprehensive breakdowns of potential market opportunities across major indices including Nasdaq based on technical and fundamental analysis; trade ideas, which is educational trade concepts and structured ideas that traders can use to build their own trading plans; trade alerts taken by me; transparent sharing of trades that I personally take for educational and informational purposes only. These changes are being implemented not only to comply with regulations, but also to uphold the integrity of this platform and to continue growing in a responsible and professional manner. I believe this transition presents a valuable opportunity for members to develop their own trading decision-making skills with the support of detailed insights and setups from someone actively participating in the markets. Once the necessary licensing and registration with the FSCA are in place, I fully intend to resume the provision of real-time trading signals with full transparency and within the framework of all legal and regulatory standards. In the meantime, I want to thank each and every one of you for your continued support, trust, and engagement. The Nasdaq Ninja community is built on authenticity, growth, and the pursuit of excellence in the markets. These values remain unchanged. Please feel free to reach out directly if you have any questions or need clarity regarding these changes. I am here to help and to guide you on your trading journey as always. Now that last here, I'm here to help and guide you on your trading journey. That can really be perceived or fall under financial advice under the FSCA framework. Another thing that also gave him away for me was direct trading signals. I have the way that he's going to do that, and we are going to take a look at it so that you can understand that this brother is not changing anything. Dear Smart Trade client, we are making an important update to how we share trading ideas with you. Going forward, we will continue to send you trade setups, but they will be structured differently to fully comply with financial regulations. Here's the new format you will receive. I'm buying insert asset. Here's how I'm personally approaching it. This is my stop loss. This is my take profits. Disclaimer: this is not financial advice. The information shared here is for educational and informational purposes only, based on my personal trading strategies and experiences. Please do your own research and consult with a licensed financial advisor before making any trading decisions. What this means: we are no longer giving direct advice or telling you what to do. So basically, they are indirectly giving you advice and indirectly telling you what to do, because with him sending you this whole setup here, I'm buying, you are gonna feel tempted to buy. You can say what you want to. You're gonna feel tempted to buy. We are sharing our personal trade ideas and strategies for educational purposes. You are responsible for your own trading decisions. This approach protects both you and us while still giving you powerful insights to the market. It only protects you, Nasdaq Ninja. It doesn't protect them, because some way, somehow, they are gonna follow what you are doing. You know this, my bro. And when it comes out, the FSCA is gonna chase you. They are going to chase you. The fact that you are saying you are not going to give direct signals, it just means one thing: you are going to be doing it indirectly now. And this is the indirect manner. And keep in mind, right, even if you are FSCA regulated, that doesn't mean that you can't be guilty of wrongdoing. Remember, not too long ago. Veracity Markets, which was FSCA regulated, they got their license stripped. They got handed a 10 million rand fine, and then they got debarred. So I'm going to need you to be really, really serious with what you're doing. Stop this indirect service as well. Your following and your clients, I bet they trust you enough to wait for you up until you are FSCA regulated. I think we can agree on that, because I have seen you have some loyal clients there as well. But do you guys now see the importance of being FSCA regulated? I also wonder how this is gonna affect operations at Titan Pulse, his prop firm as well, because I believe to some extent, I will do some research, but I believe to some extent he should be regulated in that sense as well. I'm not sure. Anyone is free to correct me if I am wrong here, but like I said, I will put in extra research just to check where, what, how, and if. Most importantly, if. So seeing this, and keep in mind, Nasdaq Ninja is quite a big trader, right? Seeing this, we are gonna see more and more and more of these important updates where traders are now distancing themselves from what they used to sell. Traders are now distancing themselves for what they used to take money from you. You guys will see this happening more often. And the sad thing is this: when I told people go and get FSCA regulated, I was just a hater. When I told people go and get your FSCA license, I was jealous. But look now, one by one, the people that I have warned, they will pop up now. And for those who haven't received correspondence from the FSCA yet, go and put in effort, because once your name have been smeared with that black paint, it's unfortunately not gonna get covered up again. That is something that's gonna be recalled every time you catch on nonsense, and that is something that you do not want. That is a very, very harsh reminder of the mistakes that you used to make. And keep in mind, this is much just the start of it. But what I'm really grateful for is that the FSCA is really putting in effort into chasing these guys down. And as you guys can see, they are not sleeping. They have heard our calls and they are answering it. So all you guys need to do is be patient. You need to continue reporting your cases. Once you have reported it, do follow-ups to check up how far the progress is, because people won't be warned unless they aren't complained about. And you, the scam victim, you have all the right in the world to complain. I believe the only reason why the FSCA even came to Nasdaq Ninja is because there is people that went to go and complain about him. So if you guys want change, remember, you are the change, and change won't happen unless you guys start reporting these issues. I'm really keen to see who's gonna drop an important update next, but one by one you guys will see them fall down like the dirty flies they are. Thank you so much for joining. I will see you guys in my next video. Cheers. Hey guys, if you're looking for a broker that's as user-friendly as it gets, I got the perfect recommendation: IFX Brokers. Whether you're a beginner or a pro, their intuitive platform makes trading super easy, and their customer support team is always there to help. But it's not just about ease of use. IFX Brokers is fully regulated, so you can trust them with your deposits. And if you're wondering about getting your funds out, don't worry. Their withdrawal process is quick and hassle-free. No long waiting periods. Check out IFX Brokers today and make your trading experience smooth and secure.